If you've decided to do the final setup and activation of your Cell Booster Pro on your own, begin by connecting the 5G Cell Booster Pro device to your broadband router or switch. Then, plug the Ethernet cable into the Cell Booster Pro WAN port. Now, plug the other end of the Ethernet cable into your broadband router or switch's 1 gig LAN port. The next step is to mount the GPS antenna on the window pane of an exterior-facing window. With this secure, carefully plug the GPS antenna cable into the GPS port of your Cell Booster Pro device. Alright, the last step of setup is to connect the power adapter to your Cell Booster Pro device and then plug it into an AC outlet. When you first connect your Cell Booster Pro device to power, you'll notice that the LED lights initially blink orange. However, momentarily, the power light should begin to flash white as the other LED lights turn off. This indicates that your device is being activated. If you look at your Cell Booster Pro portal app, you should see a message that confirms the successful setup of your 5G Cell Booster Pro device. But keep in mind that it may take up to 90 minutes for your device to activate. Upon service activation, you'll receive an email from AT&T confirming that your 5G Cell Booster Pro is active. You may notice that the LED lights on your activated 5G Cell Booster Pro are static and white when no AT&T 4G or 5G devices are connected to it, and blinking when such devices are connected. This is normal. If your Cell Booster Pro fails to activate, or if the LED lights on your device continue flashing or remain orange, you may need to do some troubleshooting. This is not uncommon given the unique way each business configures their gateway. In this situation, the first thing to try is to push the reset button on the back of the Cell Booster Pro device. For further troubleshooting tips, the 5G Cell Booster Pro product guide covers common issues and provides information on the specific meaning and cause of different light combinations. Likewise, if you need any help setting up your device, you can call 877-996-7017 to connect with our dedicated technical support team. And again, thank you for choosing AT&T for your coverage solution.